Applied Intuition, Preparing for the 2012 Shift. Hello, I'm Susan Zumo. As a perceptive awareness technique intuition teacher, an intuitive performance coach with over 25 years experience, I'm often asked to explain what intuition is, how it works, and how it can be accessed. What is intuition? It is a natural gift, controlled by a disciplined mind, trained to concentrate while the body is relaxed. Everyone has intuition. We're born with it. The intuitive mind uses a nonlinear, creative process to access unlimited possibilities and make decisions quickly. The mind can be taught to connect with this unlimited source through what scientists call the field, the mind of God, nature's mind, or the quantum hologram. Max Planck, the father of quantum physics, named this field the matrix. Physicist and author Gregg Braden calls this field the divine matrix. The analytical mind relies on data and facts drawn from past events. It applies logic and thinking to reason out choices that can be charted, trended, seen, or touched. This can be a time-consuming process. Intuition and analysis can be blended to make right decisions. The recognition prime decision model, developed by research psychologist Gary Klein, found that under time pressure, experts use their base of experience to identify similar situations and intuitively choose feasible solutions. How does intuition work? Intuition is accessed through the pituitary system by the higher mind. We can activate our intuition at will by training the mind to focus inward with intent for short bursts of time. For some, intuitive insights come as mental images that flash across the mind's eye to be interpreted like dream symbols. For others, a gentle thought voice combined with physical sensation provides direct knowing. Sometimes all three inner senses engage, resulting in an aha moment. Intuition is not located in the gut, although sensations in the body often accompany intuitive information. Feelings of unease or agitation can warn us to pay attention to dangerous situations, while feelings of peace and calm will confirm that a correct decision has been made. To make right decisions in a moment's notice, we should learn to rely on our own inner knowing, rather than seek the advice of others who are comfortable with their intuition. Successful business persons and leaders will often make quick decisions based on an inner feeling. They don't stop in the middle of a meeting to call their psychic for the answer, and neither should you. How do we access the intuition? It's not necessary to turn down the lights, burn incense, or play New Age music to connect with your inner voice. Here are 4 simple steps to get you started. Step 1. Breathe. To quickly still the thoughts and calm the mind, become aware of your breathing. Breathe in deeply through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Your body will release tension with each exhale. Take 2 more breaths to simultaneously calm the thoughts and alert the mind. Turning the mind's eye inward with measured breathing puts us on standby to receive information without forethought. Step 2. Ask. Although intuitive information can come to us in dreams or as inspiration, we can activate our intuition by asking a question, such as, should I take this job or hire this person? Where is my cell phone? How can I resolve this anger? Is this medication safe for me to take? How can I improve my relationships? What foods are best for me right now? How can I increase my income? What can I do to be of service? Step 3. Receive. Now that you've asked your question, take the very first feeling, thought, sensation, or image and hold on to it. It will be your intuitive answer. If it doesn't immediately make sense, don't worry. Write it down and be open to what comes next. Be patient while you're practicing. Strong fears and desires will block the flow of intuitive information. So you may want to revisit my healing videos to help clear the way to your inner truth. Step 4. Act. Once you receive the answer to your question, you must act on it. This builds self-confidence and strengthens the intuitive connection. Trust your intuition. It is the soul's voice guiding you. Here's an exercise I learned years ago from Connie Newton, the founder of Perceptive Awareness Technique. This is fun, and it works. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and visualize a metronome with yes and no at opposite ends. Take another deep breath, ask your question, and watch the pendulum move from the center to either the right or left. Don't try to force the movement, just observe your answer. Then take a clearing breath and open your eyes. I still use this easy technique to select fruit by asking the question, are you fresh, ripe, and ready to be eaten? Practice on everything to build confidence in your abilities. No question is too small. Once you connect with your intuition, you will never be alone in your decision-making process. On the contrary, you will actually be in touch with the best advisor you can ever have, your soul. And that connection will save you time, money, and may even save your life or the life of someone you love. For more information, visit me at SusanZumo.com and PerceptiveAwareness.com for a full schedule of online and on-site Perceptive Awareness Technique intuition training.